What's up guys, Jacked out here, got another vlog today. We got a gnarly day ahead, we got plenty of parks, plenty of spots. First up is my local park, Chatswood, where I'm meeting up with Jared, gonna warm up there a little bit, grab some food. Then we're going to Waterloo Skate Plaza, where we're gonna meet up with the whole crew, warm up there all together, then we're gonna head to a bunch of spots. It's gonna be a sick day. First up is Chatswood, let's do it. So Jared, I went over to your car, but you weren't there. Didn't see you here, mate. Just gotta love Chatswood. Oh, wow. I've got wax. Do you need it? No. Are we going now? Yeah. Alright. Cheers, mate. Alright, so I got to Chatswood pretty late, so we didn't have much time to warm up. Instead, we just came straight to Waterloo, and we're here now. Let's get some clips. At least it's not like wet. Oh, excuse me. Alright, here we are at Waterloo. We're waiting for Kevin and shit to rock up. Let's see a trick. Waterloo just got resurfaced and it's super slippery.
What a joke.
Mate, you just can't do that trick. See you later, man.
Take care.
You too, dude. Yo, we got a caller. Kevin Austin. You're actually in a vlog, you know that?
Are we meeting at Waterloo still, or are we just going to go straight to spots?
Oh yeah, how long will you be? How long will you be?
We'll probably at least be like half an hour.
Alright, we'll see you there. Alright, laters, mate.
Peace, vloggers.
Yeah, see you later. Say bye to the vlog.
Peace.
Yeah, take it to the 6. Take it to the 6, mate. Jared's a beginner with the whole grindy rail thing, so cut him some slack, guys. He's gonna hit the 6 rail for you.
Oh, fuck, man.
If he does the 6 rail, you do the 2 set?
No, I can do that for 180.
Oh, okay, alright. He's just trying to grind it, just board slide. Yo, 180 the 2 step, man. Yo! Yo! Hell yeah, man. That was sick. You wanna watch it?
Yeah.
Oh! First tee. We're leaving Waterloo. Got a couple of clips. Off to the first spot. Keen for spots?
Yeah, bro.
Needs.
Oi.
Chuck us a follow on Instagram if you wanna. Oh, dude, my finger went right on it. I just left the biggest fingerprint ever. Dude, I have sunscreen on my hand as well. Fucking one-handed, mate. Look who we got here. What's up, mate? Welcome to vlog number 2, guys.
What's up?
We got Kevin Austin. Yo!
That clip was so sick. That was like my favorite clip. Yeah.
Yo! How we doing today?
Sick, dude. That's just like...
Just warming up the first spot.
Vlog City.
I haven't tried that downstairs since the street jam. Thanks, buddy. We like filming, like Aaron's taking a photo, I'm filming Aaron take the photo, and you're filming me film Aaron take the photo. Oh, you just rocked up.
Wow, dude.
Can I be in your vlog?
You're
Yeah, man. Yo.
Hi viewers.
So,
hi,
dude.
hi all
Sean,
three
you
of
can
you.
subscribe to him at first Sean. No, Sean.
Oh, Sean! Are you Sean first from Jack Douth's vlog?
No, from YouTube.
Oh, Sean!
It'd be quicker if I did lose my fish right.
Jared's about to get a clip. What are you gonna do, Jared?
Tricks.
That was good.
That was it.
Oh.
Jared's still trying to get his clip. We got a copper that just parked over there, so he might get the boot soon, but yeah, Jared's still battling his clip. Jared's getting a clip right now. Oh! Yo! Jared just got his clip, he's pretty stoked. Now we're gonna head off to the next spot.
No one's going to break their necks, are they?
I hope not. That's not the plan.
You don't want to pay for it for me, do you?
Nah, not at all.
Please don't do it on the stairs or the railings.
Yeah, for sure.
Cheers, bro.
Alright, laters.
Gonna have to find out what close.
We're going to get some food. We're going to get some food and then we're going to go to the next spot. Okay, Sean has driven onto the footpath. Watch out, dude, you gotta run the fucking... Alright, we're on the way to this little DIY spot. So this DIY spot is an old train line, I'm pretty sure. They've got all the old tracks here. You've got the actual tracks, the actual train tracks over here. Where trains are coming past all the time. And then here you've got the old tracks. That was nuts! Leaving the DIY spot right now. It's honestly like pretty horrible, but it's pretty cool they built a spot on old train tracks. I think it's cool. the way to the next spot. Dude, look at this. Was this made to ride? I just passed Aaron my wax.
Jack
And it
just
fell
threw his wax
through
the
there.
grate,
Whose
now he's
fault was
blaming
it?
me.
That's my wax.
It was your fault, Joe.
I think it might have been.
Oh, I'm scared. Shut up.
Stop it.
Don't. Oh, yeah. Oh my.
Through Z or is it Z? People with no ability to conjure or create something fresh, lack activity, auxiliary A through Z.
Jared lost his fucking car keys. That's not good. Hello.
See ya.
Thanks for the filming today. You got this, Kevin. Come on, man. You got it, dude. Oh shit. Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh!
Alright, we're leaving this spot. Don't know where we're going next. Yo, latest Mayan. Oh. Jared found his car keys, as you can see, and they were
At the spot.
At the
right,
spot.
just left.
Anyway, we just said bye to everyone, and now we're going back to Chatswood Skate Park. Alright, it's probably pretty dark, but we just got back to Chatswood. My battery's about to die, and it's probably too dark to film. Alright, we're going to have a quick ride here till it gets dark, and then I'm going to jump on a train and head home. Alright, so I've got a little bit too dark at Chatswood to film any clips, and my camera battery's about to die, so I just came home. I'm about to go inside. Thanks so much for watching today's vlog. Subscribe, like, and comment. Follow me on Instagram @JackDout, and I'll see you in the next vlog.